Ladies and gents, boys and girls, thanks again for tuning in. It's Omar S. for the West Coast Wave on Library and for YouTube. This just came in through the wire. Please wear your mask. That's what came in. As COVID-19 risk dips, Orange County gets okay to reopen indoor restaurants, movie theaters. Ooh, is this good news? This is by Colleen Shelby, per the LA Times. And in this picture, please wear the mask. Pedestrians walk past a sign outside a business in Huntington Beach urging customers to wear a mask on August 12th. All right. Orange County received some much anticipated and welcome news in its battle against the coronavirus on Tuesday as it officially moved into the second stage of California's four-tiered color-coded reopening system. The classification allows for more businesses, including movie theaters, restaurants, and places of worship, to ease restrictions and open in limited capacity. Four other counties also moved from Tier 1, purple, to Tier 2, red, on Tuesday: Santa Clara, Santa Cruz, Amador, and Placer. Yay! Orange County joins San Diego as the only counties in Southern California not classified as having widespread risk under the state's COVID-19 monitoring system. 7 other counties are being monitored for potential tier changes, but Governor Gavin Newsom cautioned against complacency as well as the potential for spread during the Labor Day weekend. 3-day holiday weekends have not been advantageous in terms of the mitigation of the spread of this virus, Newsom said Tuesday, warning that counties can sometimes regress after moving forward. Tracking the coronavirus in Orange County. Oh, that's just some other. Sorry, I read this here, reader, and it links you over there. All right. It will take roughly 2 weeks to learn whether the combination of Labor Day weekend activity and the state's new reopening guidelines lead to a new surge in COVID-19 cases. Orange County's new risk level, which is still considered substantial under the state's monitoring system, allows for the reopening of indoor dining, places of worship, movie theaters, museums, zoos, and aquariums at 25% capacity. Shopping centers and retail stores at 50% capacity, and gyms and fitness centers at 10% capacity. The county surpassed 1,000 deaths last week and has recorded nearly 50,000 infections. It is currently reporting 5.2 cases per 100,000 residents and a 4.2% testing positivity rate over a 7-day period, according to the California Department of Public Health. Those two data points are key metrics for a county to move from one tier to another. To move into a new tier, a county must meet targets for cases per capita and positive test results for 3 consecutive weeks. If the county doesn't meet both standards, the rules for the stricter tier apply. Los Angeles County, for example, straddles 2 tiers. Tier 1 for a higher case count per 100,000 residents, and Tier 2 for a positivity rate of 4.3%, but remains in Tier 1 because that level is more stringent. LA County has recorded 6,036 COVID-19 related deaths and more than 248,820 infections, including 7 additional deaths and 439 new cases reported Tuesday. Those numbers have declined significantly in the weeks since a statewide surge in cases, hospitalizations, and death linked to Memorial Day weekend activity and the state's first reopening strategy. In Orange County, officials who had thought they were days away from moving off the original watch list have expressed frustration since the state updated its reopening guidelines last month and placed the county in the strictest tier. The change delayed the county's timetable for reopening schools, which officials had expected to be eligible to do this week. On Thursday, County Supervisor Michelle Steele said that officials were told Orange County would be eligible to reopen schools on September 22nd, assuming the county shifted into the red tier. I hope the state moves faster to accommodate schools, students, and families and not change those dates again, she said. Everyone wants their children back in school now that we have a date set. It's imperative that we continue on our current course and do what we know must be done. Social distancing, good hygiene, wearing masks. Okay. Following the county's change in status, Steele reiterated her message on Tuesday that residents must remain vigilant in order to continue progressing through the state's reopening system. With our continued hard work, I am confident that we will continue trending in the right direction and move into the orange tier in the not so distant future. The County of Orange can get there without everyone's help. Can't get there without everyone's help and participation in observing health guidelines. Is that what she said? Okay. Colleen Shelby is a reporter for the Los Angeles Times. She previously worked at PBS NewsHour in Washington, D.C. She's a graduate of George Washington University and a native of SoCal, Southern California. In case you didn't know, let me know what you think in the comment section. Like it, share it, unlike it, subscribe. It's all good in the neighborhood. We'll catch you on the next one. Dear reader,